WeedControl Steel Maximo Weed Brush. An agricultural 3-brush weeder is a piece of farm equipment designed to efficiently remove weeds from cultivated fields. It consists of 3 rotating brushes mounted on a frame and attached to a tractor. As the tractor moves, the brushes agitate the soil, uprooting weeds and disrupting their growth cycle. How it works? The weeder is typically mounted to the rear of a tractor. 3 brushes are arranged in a specific pattern to effectively cover the desired area. As the tractor moves forward, the rotating brushes disrupt the soil, loosening and removing weeds. The constant agitation prevents weeds from establishing themselves and competing with crops. Sweeper Collector Bobcat. The Bobcat Sweeper Collector is a powerful attachment designed to efficiently clean up various debris from a wide range of surfaces. It's compatible with a variety of Bobcat machines, including skid steer loaders, compact track loaders, and more. How it works? The sweeper's rotating bristles pick up debris and deposit it into the collection hopper. Once full, the hopper can be easily emptied. The attachment can also be used to scrape away mud and caked-on materials. Quickly collects dust, dirt, and debris from parking lots, sidewalks, docks, warehouses, and construction sites. Sweeps and collects material in both forward and reverse, allowing for effective cleaning in different conditions. It is built with a heavy-duty frame and direct drive motor for long-lasting performance. Handheld Weed Brush KERSTEN. KERSTEN is a well-known brand specializing in equipment for efficient weed and moss removal. Their handheld weed brushes are particularly popular for their effectiveness and user-friendliness. While KERSTEN offers a variety of weed control solutions, their handheld options primarily fall into 2 categories. This compact weed brush is ideal for small areas like patios, driveways, and walkways. It's designed for easy maneuverability and is a popular choice for both residential and commercial use. This innovative system attaches to a brush cutter or trimmer, transforming it into a powerful weed removal tool. It's perfect for larger areas and offers increased efficiency. KERSTEN brushes are designed to effectively tackle stubborn weeds and moss, leaving surfaces clean and tidy. Built to last, these brushes can withstand heavy use and provide long-term performance. The ergonomic design and simple operation make these brushes easy to use for everyone. Whether you have a small patio or a large driveway, KERSTEN offers a solution to fit your needs. DULEVO 2000 Euro 6. The DULEVO 2000 Euro 6 is a compact and maneuverable street sweeper designed for cleaning roads, cycle paths, and pedestrian areas. It is compliant with the Euro 6 emission standards and features a number of improvements over the previous models, including the 2000 Euro 6 has been designed with easier access to all components for maintenance, reducing downtime and costs. The sweeper is equipped with high-quality components from leading suppliers, ensuring durability and reliability. The suction system has been redesigned to provide more powerful suction and better dust control. The 2000 Euro 6 is powered by a fuel-efficient and environmentally friendly Euro 6 engine. Additional features of the DULEVO 2000 Euro 6 include a spacious and comfortable cab with panoramic view for improved visibility, an intuitive control panel that is easy to use, and a variety of optional features such as a high-pressure water system, a leaf sweeper, and a snow blade. F80 Flail Cutter. The F80 Flail Cutter is a compact and efficient attachment primarily designed for mini excavators and backhoes. It's ideal for tackling various tasks as it effectively cuts through grass, weeds, and small shrubs, helps maintain pathways, ditches, and embankments, prepares areas for landscaping or construction, and clears away branches, leaves, and other debris. With its compact size, it is suitable for use with smaller machines, allows for cutting at various angles, has an easy maintenance, is cost-effective, and built to withstand tough conditions. Valtra Snowek Circulus 220L. The Valtra Snowek Circulus 220L is a front-end loader that is designed for use with Valtra tractors. It has a lifting capacity of 2200 kg and a reach of 4.2 meters. The loader is equipped with a parallel linkage system that ensures smooth and precise operation. It also has a quick attach system that makes it easy to attach and detach implements. The Circulus 220L is a versatile loader that can be used for a variety of tasks, such as loading and unloading materials, moving dirt and debris, and clearing snow. It is a popular choice for farmers, landscapers, and contractors. Multihog CV 350 Sweeper. The CV 350 sweeper is a compact and maneuverable machine designed for efficient cleaning operations in various environments. This versatile equipment is particularly well suited for urban areas, industrial sites, and other spaces where traditional sweepers might struggle due to size limitations. It can be equipped with a clean engine to minimize emissions and different attachments for various tasks beyond sweeping, such as snow plowing or mowing. It is designed with the operator's well-being in mind, featuring ergonomic controls. Some typical applications include street cleaning, industrial site maintenance, parking lot cleaning, construction site cleanup, and municipal services. Essentially, the Multihog CV 350 sweeper is a practical and efficient solution for keeping outdoor areas clean and tidy. Weedgo Weed Clearing Attachment for Brush Cutters. Weedgo is an innovative tool that transforms your regular brush cutter into a powerful weed clearing machine. Designed to tackle tough surfaces like tarmac, block paving, and even moss, it's a practical solution for maintaining clean outdoor spaces. Its high-powered brush effectively clears away weeds and moss. It is ideal for smaller areas and tricky obstacles and is built to withstand tough conditions. The Weedgo attachment replaces the standard cutting head on your brush cutter. Its wire brushes rotate at high speed, effectively removing weeds and moss from hard surfaces.